I'm Justin Leto. I'm one of the co-founders of Nova Labs, our humble makerspace in Reston, Virginia. Right now, you're standing in our front lobby. This is part of the original space that we rented. It was 1,600 square feet that we started with. We had a group of 15 founders that decided to equally share a lease and just see what happens. 2 years later, we've expanded to 3,200 square feet. We have over 100 paying members. We have lots of fabrication equipment, and we're incubating a business. We've put on our first maker fair, so there's been a number of exciting things that have been happening. All right, this is our CNC metal shop area. This is one of our original shop areas. Behind me is our black toe CNC. This is co-located by one of our members who had it in parts and asked if we would make space for it here. We have a Lobo CNC that people have used to etch boards. And right next to that, we actually have one of our recently completed projects. This is a DIY book scanner.
Okay.
So one of the things that we do here is we develop UAVs or drones of the fixed wing variety, in addition to the quad, octa, and hexacopter variety. So this is actually something that one of our members had done on the black toe, and he can now use this to mold a airfoil.
Okay.
Of course, we have our laser cutter. This is a 100 watt CO2 laser cutter, graciously donated by one of our corporate sponsors, Palantir, and with some support from Hurricane Lasers. We really saw the space grow significantly after we acquired the laser cutter. So if you're trying to build or start a makerspace, our recommendation is to make this the first thing you get. Nova Labs is a non-profit, all-volunteer makerspace, and as a consequence of that, we don't have a lot of money to invest in equipment and tools. So luckily, we've had a lot of success with members co-locating and donating equipment to the space. And this here is a professional grade wood shop co-located by our member Carl Henderson, and all of this equipment was in storage, and he was very happy to be able to co-locate it at Nova Labs so that members of the community could use it, but also he could use it. So there's another great success story of a community-built makerspace.
So here we have two of our T-Max printers up and running. They're currently printing parts for our build group number 5. Everybody got to pick their choice of aluminum extrusion colors as well as printed part colors. So we're printing off 25 sets of custom parts. Here on the table we've got examples of one of the green sets that's in progress. We also have, again, one of our other leaders of the build group, Rob Stacy. He's upgraded his T-Max to use the E3D hot end. So it's an all aluminum hot end that allows for printing exotic materials like the nylon that he has spooled up there right now. So it can do much hotter temperatures, so much wider range of materials. And so he's actually working on printing off a nylon set of parts for his next T-Max 2.0. So he'll have the first all nylon T-Max. So we're looking forward to that.